Let's discuss question number 10 from test 4. This is from machine design, theories of failure basically. So the principal stresses induced in a cold rolled steel shaft at its critical section. So you have a shaft and you have some kind of a loading which is not mentioned, but at a critical section the principal stresses are 250 MPa and 100 minus 100 MPa. Well, I think there has to be a plane stresses because nothing has been given. So the order, if you arrange 250 MPa is the maximum principal stress, then the third one might be 0, and then you have minus 100 MPa is the minimum principal stress. So this is sigma P1, sigma P2, sigma P3, and nothing has been mentioned, so it has to be a plane stress with the third one being 0. So arranging in the ascending order or in an order, this is what I get. So the permissible yield stress for the shaft material is 150 MPa, and what is asked is that is it safe or not. So we need to apply theories of failure because it's a ductile material. So either of these two theories are applied, maximum shear or distortion energy. So we'll go with the maximum shear because generally that is easy to apply, maximum shear stress theory. So what maximum shear stress theory says is that the maximum shear stress tau max should be less than or equal to the tau max at the time of yield. So tau max in terms of principal stresses is given as sigma P1, the maximum minus the minimum by 2 should be less than the yield by 2. The same thing if you apply at the yield you have only sigma y, you don't have other principal stresses, sigma y is the principal stresses. So the maximum principal stress minus minimum principal stress by 2, you will get this. So sigma P1 minus sigma P3 has to be less than sigma y for it to be safe. Sigma P1 is 250 minus sigma P1 is minus 100. This is less than 150. So this value is 350. Now 350 less than 150, well, that's numerically not possible. So your tau max is basically greater than your tau max at yield. So it is not safe because the inequality is not satisfied. It is not safe. So the minimum yield strength for the material to be safe should be 350. So the answer for this is B. It's not safe. Thank you.